Hi, it's Sandra here from Creating Spain. Are you someone who gets an awful lot of dirt underneath your nails, either from crafting or other things? In Spain, for example, we have log fires, and I'm usually the one that sets and cleans out the fire. And just doing that can make my nails very grotty indeed. Now, the trouble is, I have found with various things that I use is that quite often just scrubbing my fingernails with a nail brush and soap and water isn't getting them clean, not by a long shot. But I have found something that works really, really well. Now, I happen to use Johnson's baby oil. This one happens to be aloe vera scented, so it smells really nice. But you could use any oil that you wish. Now, I've put some in a little water brush because I've got the water brushes and it's a convenient way of doing cuticle oil. But what you need to do, regardless of your method, and you can do it just by pouring the oil into your skin, and this is a bit slippery, I can't get the top off. There we go. But you can use this as a cuticle oil brush by filling it with your favourite oil and then going around your cuticles. But if you make sure that you get it underneath your nail, put a good dose of oil underneath your nail, let it soak in for a couple of minutes and then wash your hands as normal with a nail brush and soap and warm water, you will find that the majority of the stuff which was underneath your nails that you couldn't get out before will wash out. There we go. A nice, easy, quick tip and very useful for us crafters. Take care now. Bye bye.